Hey there, today we're going to look at Canva Mockup tutorial for beginners. So let's get started. First, go to the Canva homepage. Over here, you can either search for mockups right away or start by creating a design. Click on Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. After that, enter 1920 by 1080 for a landscape layout. Now inside your design, go to Elements. Over here, search for Mockup. Some mockups may appear as frames that act like placeholders for your design. Then select a mockup you like and drag it onto your canvas. After that, resize it as needed. Now go to Uploads to add your design. Click Upload Files or choose an image you already have. Drag your image onto the mockup and it will snap into place. If the image doesn't fit well, try using one with the right dimensions. For example, a portrait image works better with a vertical mockup. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Share in the top right corner, then download your design. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next